It's here. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ryan Core, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you like dope art and you like to be entertained, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button along with that bell notification so you can be notified when I'm dropping that heat. Guys, we have something different today. I bought art with art.
What? Huh? What? Huh?
Let me explain. Let me elaborate for you guys. Okay, I've been working hard for the past few months.
Okay.
And you know, with doing commission art and selling art and stuff like that, so I thought I would treat myself with the money I generated from doing that and purchase some art for myself. Now, you can interpret art in different type of ways.
You ever been to Subway?
Yes.
You order a sandwich, somebody put that together for you, dude. That's art.
So this is art to me. You may not agree, but whatever, I don't care. But let's just get into it, guys. Let's just get into it. Oh, before we get into it, let me congratulate my team, the Golden State Warriors, for winning the NBA championship yesterday, guys. And finally, your boy Stephen Curry, Chef Curry, with the NBA Finals MVP. Oh my God, he is solidified, guys. I don't want to hear it in the comments. I don't want to hear nothing. He is solidified. But that's another story, all right? We'll be on that all day. Let's get to what I purchased, guys. That's right, guys. If you can tell by the packaging, your boy bought a 1000% Bear Brick, specifically the Breaking Bad Walter White in his chemical protection suit.
I'm delighted to hear that.
Let's just admire the box, guys. Guys, even the box is dope. So let's stop waiting. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing so we can get straight to the Bear Brick, guys. Oh my God, guys, it's even more beautiful in person. You know what? Let me just show you guys. B-roll, please! guys, that was the 1000% Bear Brick Breaking Bad edition. Walter White in his chemical protection outfit.
You're goddamn right.
Guys, hey, Juju wanted to stop by, guys, and say hi. Say hi, Juju. Say hi. Okay. Anyway, guys, listen. I got it from StockX. Hopefully it's not fake.
Got him!
No, I'm just kidding, guys. I know you probably heard about Nike purchasing some fake shoes from StockX, but whatever. I like StockX. I bought a few items from StockX, but I purchased this one a little under $500, guys. Like I said, I've been working hard. I wanted to treat myself, and I always wanted a 1000% Bear Brick, guys, and it's a piece of art to me. It's a collectible, and I got this one particular because, guys, I really like Breaking Bad. Is one of my favorite shows, guys, and what they done with the spin-offs from Better Call Saul.
Want to make more money and keep the money that you make? Better call Saul.
I love it, guys. I love it. And this is a first of many of 1000% Bear Bricks, guys. And it's just a piece of art, guys. It's beautiful. It's just, oh my God. I'm gonna put it in the studio, guys, and just admire it. This is first of many, guys. I plan on purchasing more of them. And like I said, they range between 500 to 1,500 to 15,000, and it goes up, guys, depending how rare they are. And this is my first one, guys, and I just love everything about it, with the respirator mask sitting up here and the clear ears and the color, guys. I just love everything about this Bear Brick. And some might say that they're a hype beast item, guys, but I don't think so. It's a collectible, guys. I like collecting dope things, from toys and things that from my childhood that brings nostalgia to my life, guys. And I just love these Bear Bricks, guys, and I plan on buying more, and it's just a dope item, guys. So, I mean, let me know if you guys got any Bear Bricks. Are you familiar with them, or you want one yourself, guys? So, I don't know. I just love it, guys. So, I mean, yeah, there it is, guys. 1000% Bear Brick. But if you guys want dope art, or you want to commission me to do some dope art, you can hit me up on my website at rottencoreart.com. And guys, if you want to see more content about this, like things like this, then let me know in the comments, guys. Other than that, I'm gonna keep, cover your ears, Juju. I'm gonna keep painting dope shit. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it. So till next time, peace. Papa? Papa? Yay! Papa?